All right, so this is, stop wiggling. This is just a little video about how to put together your brush pen. So it comes like this. You pull it off, click. You see that little, mine's been used, but I rinsed it off so that we could sort of see what happens when you put the ink in. So there it is with its little white brush tip. You unscrew it. You take this, and you'll see that it has kind of a narrow end and a wider end. If you just lay it there, you can see that this part's narrower and this part's wider. Pentel's also put a little arrow saying this part goes towards your pen. So you take that, you'll see it's recessed, and there on your pen, you can see there's this little part that sticks out. These two are about to meet and be very good friends. So you stick that and you push it, push it, till you hear it click. Then you take the pen bottom, screw it on, and then it's going to be a little while before the ink decides it's going to come down the barrel and start flowing out of that brush. And for a little while, you may feel like nothing's happening and that you didn't do it right. But just keep it kind of tilted down or even just laying on its side. And in a little while, through capillary action, the ink will start to show up. And your brush will turn black, and then you can play with it. And I'll show you that, things you can do with it in just a minute.